Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back today with, of course, another headband wig review. Y'all know I've been doing these like crazy, and I have a couple more that I need to film for you guys, so definitely be on the lookout for that. But I have another human hair headband wig, and you guys know for the most part, most of the headband wigs are of a natural color. I believe this is the second one that is actually color. I've done one similar as far as this color, but it was longer, and this one is shorter. And let me tell y'all, I like this. I definitely like it. I like the length, I like the color, I love the kinky curly texture, all of that. So if you guys are familiar with my wig reviews, I show you the construction of the wig, then I let you guys know some details about the wig and the company, and then of course I leave you guys with my final thoughts about the wig. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. So of course, as you guys saw from the previous clip, I showed you the construction of this wig. This wig has 4 combs, one in the front, one in the back, and 2 on the side. This wig also has an adjustable strap, and of course it had the black strap where you put the headband on top. And then they sent me 2 headbands, and this is the headband that I chose to wear today. Now I'm not too sure what the company is. As you guys saw, the bag said Coco Hair. On Amazon it says What Is, so I'm not too sure, but I will leave the link down below in the description box for you guys regardless, in case you are interested in this wig. Now this is the only color that they have in this wig, but they do have other lengths. They have 3 more they have two more lengths, 12 inches and 16 inches. The one that I have is 14 inches. So this is the Kinky Curly Headband Wig. This is in the color 1B30, and once again, it's 14 inches. It retails for $85.89. The density is 150. The cap size is medium size, 22.5 inches. Oh, also the roots is dark, so it's kind of like an ombre effect going on. You can straighten it and you can curl it, and that's pretty much it. So as you guys saw when I took it out of the bag, it did not look like this. You could see the kinky curly texture when I took it out of the bag, but of course I brushed it out a little bit. Then I sprayed some water on it. So this is how the hair looks with no product and a little bit of water. So y'all know I love me some big hair, so I definitely love it like this. Now I did notice when I brushed it out, it was shedding on my shirt. So it is shedding, definitely. My stomach is growling. It is definitely shedding, but you know what? There's really not a big deal. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks all around. So this is how it looks in the front. This is how it looks on the side, back, other side. So yeah, it's really cute. I really do like it. I like the length, everything. So you guys let me know down in the comments what you think about this wig as far as the length, the hair texture, color, all of that. Let's go ahead and talk about it because I really do like it. It's late, so I'm filming late, and my niece and nephew is here and all that. So I apologize if I'm talking a little bit lower than usual, but y'all know the drill. But yeah, I really do like this wig, so I really want to thank the company for reaching out to me and asking me to review this wig because I do like it. This is my type of texture, color, everything. It's really cute. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as post notification bell so you're not missing a new upload from yours truly. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.